Guys, I know a lot of you are wondering what you need to do when you find a product. You're going to buy it, but where are you going to ship it? Do you need to ship it straight to Amazon? Do you need to ship it to your house? Where do you need to ship your products? I'm going to answer this question in this video, and I'm going to show you how I send my products with Inventory Lab. So I'm going to be honest, I don't know how to do it straight from Amazon. I've done it with Inventory Lab since I started. So this is Inventory Lab. To answer your question, no, you do not send your product to Amazon. So you need to send your product to your house. Or if you want to, you can use a prep center that is going to do what I'm going to show you right now. Because you need to prep your products and then you need to send them to Amazon FBA warehouses where they are going to store your product. And when you get the sale, they're going to pick your product, ship it, pay for the shipping, whatever, ship it, and get it straight to the customer. Okay? So this is Inventory Lab. So when you get into Inventory Lab, you need to create a new batch. So name it whatever you want. This is what I'm going to name mine. Here we go. Now, you are not able to see that. Let me size this down. Here you go. You see that little search bar on the top right? This is where you are going to enter your product to search it. You can enter the UPC, you can enter the ASIN from Amazon, or you can just enter the name of the product and search it. So let's say you want to sell Coke, the drink, not the drug. Here you go. So I typed Coke over there and I found this. So let's say I want to sell Mexican Coke. Here we go. So as you can see, you have the product right there. You can enter all the information regarding the product. So the total quantity, so we have one in stock. The average cost, so we're going to put $5. The date purchased, the supplier, so I bought mine at Ross on 5th Street, whatever. And for everything that's grocery or cosmetic, you need to enter the expiration date. So Inventory Lab is great because you do everything at the same place. I have no idea if it's the same when you do it from Amazon, but it's just so much easier for me to use Inventory Lab, and I believe they have a free trial, so try it out, and it's just worth it. If you are doing retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, it's worth it. It simplifies your workflow so much that I don't know I would do it without them. But yeah, so we're gonna enter. Here we go. We're gonna enter the expiration date. We're gonna add it to batch. Let it load for a little bit. And here we go. So once we have our batch done like this, we are going to review it. Oh, and I forgot something really important, actually. We can do it later, that's totally fine. So we're gonna submit it, sync our batches, sync our shipment. Not important. Here we go. From here, you're gonna create your plan, your shipping plan. You're just going to click here. You see that it's going to go to CMH2. So this is the FBA warehouse where you're going to need to ship it. No worries, super easy. I'm going to show you how to do it now. So here we are. Right there we have, let me double check. Right there we have our shipping plan with our box going to CMH2. So we are going to enter our box content. So what is box content? You need to tell Amazon what is inside which box, because let's say you have 100 different products, different units, 100 different units of different product, 100 units of different products. You're gonna need probably like 5 boxes in your shipping, in your shipment. Amazon needs to know what product it's inside which box, in which quantity. So right here we only have one product, but keep that in mind when you do your own shipments. So we're gonna ask, we only have one box. So if you want to create one more box, you can click here. Here we go. I'm going to delete it right there. Boom. So we are going to assign our product to our box like this, just by clicking here, as you saw. After that, you are going to transmit the box to Seller Central. Your job from here is done on Inventory Lab. After that, I'm going to take my other computer because I have another computer while I log into my Amazon account. So let's get into my Amazon account now. So this is what it looks like. So you're gonna go down. So this is the send replenishment tab, whatever you call it. This is the place where you send your shipment into Amazon. To access this, you're just gonna click here on Inventory Lab, and I'm sorry because I'm switching between computers. It's gonna make it so much more difficult for me during the edit, but I'll do anything for you guys. So you're gonna click here on the shipment. It's gonna bring you to this page, okay? So once you are on this page, here's what you're gonna need to do. You don't care about whatever is here. You're gonna do small parcel delivery. You're only gonna start doing LTL shipments when you get bigger, because it's gonna get cheaper. LTL shipments is when you actually hire a truck driver to get your shipments into his truck and to get it to Amazon warehouse. So you don't need it now. So as I said, you're gonna scroll down, and if you were to do whatever we did on Inventory Lab on Amazon, this is where you would do it when you create your shipment. I don't know how to do it. I do my box content on Inventory Lab. Whatever. Let's move to the next step. I forgot to show you something actually. So let's go back to the other computer. When you transmit boxes like this, you need to transmit the box to Amazon. You're gonna enter the weight. So let's say it's 25 pounds. And it's gonna be the dimensions 5 by 5 by 5. Okay? You're gonna submit it, and it's gonna transmit all the information to Amazon when you submit it. Okay, I'm not gonna do it a second time because I did it once. So it will transmit everything, the box content information, whatever the dimension and the weight of the box is. Here we go. And then it's going to be the shipping charge. So it's going to take the weight, and it's called the dimensional weight. You don't need to know this. You're just going to calculate the cost, and you're going to see how much it is going to cost you to ship your shipment. So for this shipment, it's going to be $5.86. A good rule of thumb, I mean, as of right now, if you watch this video later with inflation and stuff, it may be more expensive, but what I do is, usually my shipments are around 50 cents, between 30 and 50 cents per pound. So this would be too expensive. This is why you need to do bigger shipments, because you will pay like more than $1 per pound, okay? This is not good. So you would agree, you would click accept. I do not want to pay $5, okay? So I'm not going to do it because I'm not going to ship this shipment. Then you would go down, enter the date right there, print the box, and you would slap the shipping label on the box. I forgot to show you one thing. On your product, you're gonna need to get a label. So we are back on this computer. I know, confusing. I'm confused as well. You would print your shipping label, and you saw it print. I hope you saw this. Here we go. This is not the shipping label, I'm sorry. This is your FNSKU label. Here you go, if it can. So I have a thermal printer. You're gonna need one as well. So with that, you're gonna, and let me see if I can find a product for you guys. Let's say I want to sell this. Just it's a product, okay? It's your product. Just think it's the box of Coke, okay? The drink, once again, not the drug. You're gonna get your label, your barcode, okay? You're gonna stick it where the barcode is on the Coke. So you're gonna cover the barcode that is on the Coke with your own barcode, like this. Okay? Here you go. I know it did not focus. You get the idea. You're gonna do this. You're gonna stick it on the Coke packaging where the barcode is, because you do not want the barcode from the manufacturer showing on your product. It needs to have your own barcode that you can get like this. That's pretty much it. That's all you need. You get your shipment, then you print a shipping label, same thing but with a different size, and then you send it to Amazon. So this is how you get your products. When you do an arbitrage, you get it to your house, you ship it to your house, and then you ship it yourself to Amazon, doing all that prep. So I hope this was helpful. If, in case, you want me to make another video on sending shipment, I can do that for you, going more in depth. I just want to give you an overview of how it works. If you need an in-depth tutorial, make sure to let me know in the comments so I can do that for you. It's pretty easy, guys. Just get started, do it yourself. It's gonna work. And if you want to actually learn how to find profitable products for Amazon FBA, check out this other video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.